Chapter 5 Shelter. Warm up. As you know, we all live in homes. Do animals also have their own homes? Here are some examples of shelters. Different shelters. Tick which you have already seen. Let's start. Do animals also have homes? Animals also need a safe place to live. They need shelter to protect themselves from enemies, bad weather, and to raise their young ones. Animals live in different kinds of homes. Let us read about some types of animal homes. Nest of a weaver bird. Nest of a woodpecker. Nest of a penguin. Nests of birds. Birds live on trees. They make a nest to lay their eggs, keep them safe and warm. Birds use dry grass, leaves, twigs, cotton and thread to make their nest. Different types of birds make different types of nests. A crow makes a nest with dried sticks. Flightless birds such as ostrich dig holes in the ground to hatch and protect their young ones. Weaver bird uses its beak to weave the nest using dry strips of palm leaves. The nest hangs down from the tree and the bird makes its entrance from the lower end. A woodpecker makes hole in the tree trunks to make its nest. A tailor bird stitches leaves together to make its nest. A penguin makes nest with stones. Interesting facts. A cuckoo does not make its nest. It lays eggs in the nests of other birds. Shelter of land animals. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Wild animals. Wild animals are those that live in forests. They usually find natural shelters for themselves. Animals like monkeys and chimpanzees live on trees. They are known as arboreal animals. Lions and bears live in caves or dens. Some animals live under the ground, like rabbits and mongoose make burrows. Snakes live in holes. Ants make anthills with tunnels of mud. Monkey on tree. Cave. Burrow. Anthill. Domestic animals. We build shelters for domestic animals to protect them from heat, cold, rain and other animals. Shed. Kennel. Farms, stable. Dogs are kept in kennels. Horses are kept in a stable. Pigs are kept in a sty. Sheep and goat are kept in farms. Cows are kept in a shed. Shelter of water animals. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Water is a home for many animals on the earth. Some of the aquatic animals are fish, shark, dolphin, crab, seal, walrus, sea lions, etc. Some of these, like starfish and sea anemones, live in shallow water, while some animals like shrimps live on the seabed. Water provides them with the oxygen and the food they need to live. Water world. Shelter of animals that live both on land and water. Animals that can live both on land and in water are called amphibians. Some of the amphibians are frogs, toads, newts and salamanders. They have lungs to breathe on land, while in water they breathe through their skin. Crocodiles and alligators also live both on land and in water. Interesting facts. Whales and dolphins, though live in water, but come out of the surface of water to breathe. They are, however, reptiles. They breathe through their nose. They lay eggs on land. Social insects like honeybees and wasps live in large groups called colonies. Bees live in hives made of wax. Wasps make their nests out of paper. Nocturnal animals. Animals that are active at night are called nocturnal animals. They sleep during the day. Nocturnal animals like cockroach and kangaroo and rat stay in cool underground place. They come out at night when the weather is cool. Nocturnal animals like owls, lemurs and cats have special eyes that see well in the dark. A spider's web. A spider spins its web to trap its prey. The web is made up of a type of silk that comes out as liquid from the spider's stomach. It solidifies once it comes in contact with the air. A spider's web. Vocabulary. Arboreal animals. In habitats in which trees are present. Shallow. Things that aren't dust from the surface. Reptiles. The reptiles are a class of cold-blooded animals characterized by rough skin, and they reproduce by laying eggs. Recap. Animals need a safe place to live. Birds make nests to lay their eggs. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Monkeys and chimpanzees live on trees. They are known as arboreal animals. Social animals live in colonies. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Animals that live both on land and in water are called amphibians. Nocturnal animals are active at night. A spider spins its web to trap its prey.